everyone. And indeed today is a very, very important and very historic moment where we have today inaugurated the Governor House here in Tura. And this has been a very long pending project and also of great expectation from the people of the state, especially from the Garo Hills region. And hence today is a great moment for all of us where we have been able to inaugurate the Governor House here in Tura. And it sends a very, very good and a positive message to the people of the state. And I'm happy that the Honorable Governor himself, Mr. Phagu Chauhanji, had inaugurated this Governor House. And I'm sure that now with this infrastructure being here, we will see the visit of the Governor more often to Garo Hills. And also we will see that the Governor will be able to spend more time here and connect with the people of this region of the state also. And hence it's a great development. And I once again thank the Honorable Governor and would also like to thank the different departments that have played a very important role in completing this particular project.